Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. I have here two coins from exactly the same series. This is the Edward Jenner £2. These coins, I'm showing them side by side, the two of them, so you can see that one has the Charles III portrait. This was not one of the coins in the annual set. This was bought out and it was made into a strike your own before it was the first strike your own of the year. And I have done a review of the strike your own, so I'm not going to spend an awful lot of time going through the obvious things. I bought two. One will go to my blue card collection. The other one will be taken out of the blue card and put into a flip and go into my date run. I will possibly get a third card later on, so I have a spare to give away as possible gift. I don't know. But this coin is special. I'll just take the one with King Charles's portrait away for the moment and we'll concentrate on the design. This is the design. Let me just take that down a little bit more. We have the name of the person, who's Edward Jenner, across the top here. On the bottom we have a legend, a vaccine to end smallpox, which of course was one of his major claim to fame, I would have thought. Then we have a set of a crowd, it looks like a crowd of people around. I believe this is a crowd of people from what I've learnt about the design, and you got the actual smallpox vaccine, picture of the vaccine or picture of the smallpox virus. I thought originally that this was totally the smallpox virus with the vaccine affecting it, but apparently not. It is people, and you can see that there are people there. Under the microscope that I have, I can see that there's people there. This is a very well designed coin in my view. It's better than 90% of what we've seen over the last few years, and when I do the annual set review I will be tearing people new areas of their body because some of the designs are absolutely appalling. But this one, yeah, quite like this, and this was not actually part of the annual set, believe it or not, but it was the first coin that was released this year as a £2. It did go as a strike your own prior to Dumbledore taking over just recently. There were plans, and I believe there's still ongoing plans that the strike your own, they will complete the series of 4 coins of Harry Potter that are in the series as strike your owns, and that will then run up to the or running well close to the coronation set that's coming out, or will be coming out, and we are expecting a special strike your own on the day at the weekend of the coronation and all sorts. So there are interesting times ahead for the strike your own. However, this was a strike your own. It is no longer the strike your own. It is a lovely coin. I do like it, and I'm very glad to have it. So, having said all of that, this is not my first review. This is my second review of this coin. I hope you've enjoyed it. And until we meet up again in the near future, which I hope will be not too distant, thank you for watching, and from me, bye bye, ta-da now.